Hello.
Me and Lonnie. We're sitting out in the woods and it is dead quiet out here. It's so peaceful.
It's really peaceful.
Just wish we could stay out here all day. A little snow coming down. It's warm. But it took us a while to get up here because we were coming through deep snow. But now that we're here, we don't want to leave. Don't you guys wish you were with us? You could be sitting right here next to us.
Right here. The peaceful quiet.
Yeah.
Listen.
You hear that?
It's nothing.
I'm Carrie, and I'm from the Blackfeet tribe, and we are on Upper Cupbank Creek on the reservation searching for Bigfoot. And the reason we come out here is because there's been years of Bigfoot activity out here. Sightings, footprints, structures. So we're always on the lookout for Bigfoot.
Here we are on the climb. This is the hill we used to sled down, I think.
Okay, let's go. Hey.
Beyond that ridge is our camp spot. Jokes. Somewhere up there we'll sit down and have our lunch.
Protein. What you eating, Lon?
Protein. Jokes.
We both have our own personal reasons why we venture out here, and sometimes people try to stop us, scare us, tell us it's dangerous, tell us we're brave or we're crazy. But you just don't know the feeling that you have when you're out here. If you ever come out like this, it's just a feeling you can't explain of just being in such beautiful country, and to know that this is our country. This is where we grew up. This is where we were raised, and we have a connection to the land here that nobody else has. Tourists may come and go, but they don't know the connection you have with this land. So whether it's snowing, sunshine, raining, when you come out, you become part of this land, and it becomes one with you. And we understand that totally, that there's people that can't get out and that long to get out. And so you can watch our videos and come on the adventure with us.
Okay. So I wanted to let the viewers know that you notice in some of the videos I'm always looking around, kind of up. Well, first of all, I want to not miss any kind of movement up in those hills or up in the trees. When we're walking along here, like along trees like this, I have a habit now of just looking just to see if I see any movement, or I happen to see like something peeking around a tree, because I've heard so many stories of people, their stories that they see something looking around a tree at them, kind of peeking. I have not seen or heard, I have no evidence of a Bigfoot, and I know he's out there because of all the stories I've heard from right here on my home reservation. That's why I'm kind of out doing this project that's really intriguing and exciting. I also honor those stories of the people who tell them. You know, I really respect the people who tell their stories because it's not easy. As much as I know I don't have a story and I'm not in their shoes, but I know stories, period, are sometimes, you know, you got to reveal something about yourself. And that sometimes is hard. You got to be vulnerable. I really respect and honor people that do tell their stories. As you all know, I'm a journalist. I've been a journalist for 16 years now, and that's what I'm all about, is storytelling. And a big part of storytelling is really capturing the stories of our people, our tribal people, our people, and for them to be telling their stories. I really believe strongly in that. But I just wanted to share a little bit about kind of where I'm coming from this project. Like, you know, I have no evidence. I'm determined to hear something, maybe. I don't know what I'll do when I do hear it or see it. It might be the end of this project. I don't know. I think I'll be all right. Beautiful, beautiful. That's a big reason I came out here. It's just really pretty. I don't know if I'll do it. Tell me what to do. Should I face this way? Should I face this way? Or this way?
That way.